too many incorrect unlock attempts on your Samsung phone? Don't worry, this video will show you several effective ways to unlock your Samsung device step by step. Method 1. Unlock a Samsung phone via recovery mode. One of the most common solutions is recovery mode. Power off your phone, then press and hold the volume up plus power buttons until recovery mode appears. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm, and reboot your device. This method will erase your data if you don't have a backup. Method 2. Unlock a Samsung phone via SmartThings Find. If your phone is linked to a Samsung account, visit SmartThings Find on another device, log in, select your locked phone, and choose Unlock to remove the screen lock remotely. This method requires an active internet connection on your phone. Method 3. Unlock a Samsung phone via Google Find Hub. You can also use Google Find Hub. Sign in with your Google account, select your Samsung phone, and choose Factory Reset. After the reset, you can set up your phone again. Method 4. Unlock a Samsung phone via ADB commands. For advanced users, ADB commands can be used. This method only works if USB debugging was enabled before the phone was locked. Connect your phone to a computer, run ADB commands, and remove the lock file. This option is more technical and not recommended for beginners. Method 5. Quick solution using MagFone Android Unlocker. If the methods above don't work, a faster and easier option is MagFone Android Unlocker. This professional tool helps remove Samsung screen locks caused by too many incorrect attempts. It supports multiple lock types and provides a guided process, making it suitable even for beginners. That's how to fix too many incorrect unlock attempts on Samsung. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips.